Hi YouTube friends, how are you all? Hope you all are fine, and today we will learn how to make a hide and seek game in Scratch 2. So let's begin. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share this video please. And I have opened my Scratch 2 window, and now I'll select the hide and seek game. So click here to start, and I have to choose a backdrop like moon or space, so I will choose space. Okay, I have chosen it, and next I have to choose any of one sprite in this group. So I'll get it in the fantasy category in the sprite library. So I want to choose the Goobo. I don't know its name. I think its name is Gobo. Okay, I should delete it. And I can make this We Bear Bears project, but I will not do that. So first script I have to build like this. Okay, looks block. First hide, then show, and I have to take, wait 1 second. So yes. Now next, and I have to choose forever also, and next, and my okay, events tab, and when flag clicked, and next, when this sprite clicked, play sound pop, you say you found me for 1 second. So let's build this script also. I should keep this aside, and for 1 second. So I have changed that. Next, and I'll select okay. I have to go to the operators group and pick this one. Oh, not here. Here. Yes, okay. So wait a minute. Yes, I have to change this to 5, and then let's see what is now interesting in this game. Go to the mouse pointer. Okay, so first like this. Okay, go to random position. It is not here random position, but oh, go to. I'm taking go to. Yeah, I'm taking the point. Okay, go to. Okay, go to the mouse pointer. Here it is. Yes. Now random position. Next, okay, data. variable list and score. Okay, and when this sprite clicked, change score by 1 and set score to 0. Oh. Wait a minute, I have to stop this. And you come in the middle of oops, and my scripts are looking like this only. Okay, next. And new sprite, I have to choose a new sprite. Okay, choose a tree or other sprite to be a hiding place. So I have to build this script. Okay, so first I should move these two scripts aside and okay, go to front where go to front. Okay, here it is. No, okay, here it is. Wait man, yes. So add more characters. If you drag a sprite, it goes to the front layer. Okay, so to add more scripts, you can copy the scripts from one sprite to another. Okay, I didn't knew this trick at first. Okay, oh, that means my project is completed, so I should save this project and I'll name this project. I'll save in the videos category, videos library. Okay, so I'll name this game hide and seek. Oh, no, hide and seek game by Sheikh Faizan. Save. You guys, do you know my name? My name is Sheikh Faizan Hussain. Okay, so now play this game. We should play in the full screen like we always play. This game should have a background music also. Oh, I cannot catch it. And I have score for I have 3 scores. You also play this game. You can edit it more than me, and I'm having just 5 scores, so I should stop this game now and wait, yes, so I should add a background music also. So sound, pop and sounds library, and I think I'll not select this, Baba. Music instruments, please tell me in the comments that which sound I should select. Till then I will select wait a minute, I will select dance snare beat. So wait, okay, so now scripts, sound block, play, okay, play, oh no, not this, until done, no, play drum, yes, place drum, no, play sound drum snare as dance snare beat, okay, forever, yes. Yes, now it's very good. So you can choose your own music. So I am stopping this now, and until this I am stopping the video. Till then, goodbye, and make on your own this game and play to enjoy.